Hi, this is Thomas from MarsMoonSpace.com. I am looking at a new released picture from the satellite orbiting Mars. And this is a great one. This is PIA 20109, and it's a great image. You've probably already seen a lot of weird stuff in this image we've seen so far. There's something down here with some 90-degree angles, and I'm just gonna show you the full image before we start looking at the enhancements. There is something here also that seems odd and out of place. I can't really describe it, but this is the image as you see it. This one down here looks odd. We must remember before we start doing the enhancement that these images are taken from between 290 kilometers to 350 kilometers away, and I have of course zoomed or enhanced all that I could to get these images here. So just to have in mind what a distance these images are taken from, let's start with this one here. Take a look at this one up here. It's an odd one. I had to look at it for a little while, and then I decided to turn it around, and look what happened when you turned it around. You get this square here. It almost looks like there is a hole down here. It looks like a building. Look at these walls here, 90-degree angles wall, and you can actually follow the wall down here. I think this image has been blurred a lot, but they missed everything on it, or some of it, sorry. And look at up here. It looks like we have these walls, and then we have a little distance down to what could have been a floor or something in a larger building. I believe that the roof is simply missing on this one. So we don't know how many floors there was on this building here. Let me just show you another one I did on this one here. It's actually the same, just in colors. Now, notice this little object here. For those of you that are believers in life in universe, and lots of it, you will probably say this looked like some sort of craft that just landed here. We must remember that if this is a construction, then it is a huge construction. It will probably be minimum 500 meters across, which would be, let me see, that would be something like, I don't even know the scale in miles. I'm gonna find it for you later and put it on the video description here on YouTube, so you can see the distance in kilometers and miles. But this is a huge construction. This is at least a half kilometers from here to here. So if we are looking at something visible from 190 kilometers distance here as minimum, then this object would be a huge object. That one would be 50, 60, 70 meters across. I think this is a great picture. The first one I noticed was up here, that it looks like two eyes and a mouth and something symbolizing a face, but when I turned it around, this one came up here, and this is an awesome one. This is a really awesome one. I'm just gonna go back to the first one again here, and here you see it. This is the original in the background here, and of course the enhancement I made here, and here I didn't turn it around. But it's amazing what comes out when you just simply turn around a picture and see it from another angle. This one up here, that looks like a wall and a corner on a wall, and it actually looks like it has the classic shape for a roof here, and the roof is simply missing. But I'm not gonna judge on what this is. I'm gonna let you be the judge on this one. But my bet would be this is some kind of alien construction, or Martian construction. The term alien construction would probably be a wrong word, because alien is something foreign, and those who live on Mars must be Martian. So I guess the word Martian construction would be the right word. I'm gonna show you one more here. This is the odd little thing down here. Notice in the enhancement these 90-degree angles, and you have like something going across here, and then you have this cylinder-shaped object here in the back, and I don't know what this is. It looks artificial, it looks constructed, but it also looks like this is very old, and what you're seeing coming from the top here down here is, to me, looks like sand and dust that has come through ages and simply creating an outer layer on this construction. This is an awesome one. I really like this one. I have put some colors on this one also, where you can see the angles that I am seeing and talking about here. This is a great one. Are we looking at an alien construction, or is it just simply rocks? I don't know. I'm asking you. I'm just gonna show you this one again because I really like this one. This is today's favorite. This is a really cool one. This does to me look like some kind of foundation for an alien construction. Look at this one here, and here it seems like there is. If I draw a line here, let me draw a line. I'm gonna take the red one here, from here to here. This might have been falling apart through ages, but this would be actually be the top of the roof, and then you have to go down here, and then down the other way here, and the same here, and down here. I'm not saying this is what it is, but to me it looks like it. And you have the corner over here. This is a great image. Please share this image and this video with those you know believe in life in the universe, and ask them for their opinions on it. Ask them to share the video also. This was a video from marsmoonspace.com. I hope you will share this. Until we see again, take care out there. Bye.